What's up everybody, Tony here with HighTechCheck, and today we're going to be taking a look at a complete mat set for your Tesla Model 3. Now these floor mats are made by AUTailors. They are available on Amazon.com, and I will be putting a link in the description in case you guys want to purchase them yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So if there was one thing that I would tell you to get right off the bat as soon as you bought your Tesla, would be to switch out the floor mats. They're cheap and they do nothing for moisture protection. These floor mats here are weatherproof and waterproof, so no matter if it's raining outside, snowing, there's mud or some spills, these floor mats will have you covered. And no matter where you live, you're going to at least have one of those elements, and it's most likely going to be rain. So protect your car's floor from the water you're going to bring in from sloshing around or walking around in the rain. They also don't have that noxious rubber smell that a lot of the floor mats have that are out there. They're also not very heavy and they're very durable. So now I'm going to go ahead and install them on the car and we're going to see how well they perform. Now this is made in the US and it is handmade. It also has this rubbery outer lip here to keep spills of moisture from spilling over onto your car's fabric. It has 4 layers of protection. The top layer is a textiline fabric that's kind of like carbon fiber, and it's a woven material. The second layer is TPR, flame retardant, and waterproof layer to keep all the moisture and wetness to keep from getting to your actual car carpet. The third layer is a nylon fiber. It's made for comfort and cushioning. And the last layer is that anti-skid fabric that has those little micro hooks. But it's not like Velcro, and it won't ruin your carpet on your car. These are also super easy to install. All you need to do is take out your old flimsy cheap Tesla mat and then just lay in your new AUTailors mat. Press it down in the corners to get the Velcro to stick, and you're good to go. So first I want to show you what the floor mats are like that come with the Model 3. Here you can see that edge I was telling you about that doesn't want to stay down. It's pretty annoying. And there's absolutely nothing in here to protect your carpets from, water or spillage, pets, anything like that. As you can see here, it does not cover that little center, which is definitely prone to spillage, especially if you have kids. That pet hair just does not want to come out. Like I said, you're going to spend a lot of time with a lint roller trying to get this all out. Now here's what the all-weather mats look like. They're precisely cut to fit your Model 3 perfectly. They don't move, they stay down. They look great. Here we are in the back. As you can see, it covers that little middle piece as well. No more worries about spills and anything else, pet hair, just an easy cleanup. Super clean. And they're also easy to clean up. As you can see, it's already gotten dirty from my feet, some dust. All you need to do is take a little damp cloth, wipe it up, and you're good to go. So here's just a test to show you how well the water stays in the floor mat and that it doesn't absorb into the mat itself. It just sits right on the top. All you need to do is get some rags, or if you have a shop vac, you can suck up the water very easily. Then you just kind of dry up the rest of the mat with a dry cloth. And then as you can see, the water did not seep through the mat. The back is all dry, except for that little spot right there. It did get a little wet from the water that spilled over the edge when I tried to clean up, but it did not soak through. And then here's just a little demonstration of how well the floor mats stay in place. No matter how hard I pushed down on the mat to try to move it, it did not move at all. So my final thoughts on the AUTailors floor mats for the Tesla Model 3. I really liked them. I love the way that they look. They seem really durable, and they're definitely going to protect your floor 100% more than the ones that came with the Model 3 in the first place. They're really easy to install and they're easy to maintain. And like I showed you before, if they get dirty or something, really all you need to do is kind of wipe them down with a moist cloth and they're good as new. Now the one thing that I did notice is with the type of shoes that I wear, when the floor mats get wet, my shoes slip around a lot on the floor mat. That might not be a deal breaker for you, but it's just something I wanted to let you know. So if you rely on that grip to kind of get out of your car, or when you're getting in your car, just know that if your shoes are wet or if the mats are wet, your shoes may slip around a little bit when you get in or out of the car. They do come in 3 different trim colors, and I'm pretty sure that you'll find at least one appealing. And again, I will put that link in the description in case you guys want to check them out yourself. And if they do get really dirty, more than what just a damp rag will take, you can take these outside and just hose them off if you really need to. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell so that you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.